Hey, what's up, everybody? It is officially that release day. The release day we've been waiting for of the Air Jordan 12 flu games, man. And hey, these things sold out this morning. We was on a live on the sneakers app by 10-12 a.m. They was gone. And not just that, as you guys can see by this picture, this was the line at the mall, bro. People are out for these things. Y'all really want them. I hope everybody was able to cop them, but we're about to go to the malls and pick up. I'm going to Hibbett Sports, pick up a pair, and then I'm going to go to JD Sports in the mall and pick up another pair, and we just going to see what's out there. But make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and let me know if you guys are able to cop your pair. And these things going to be a problem, man. Resale is going to be crazy, so congratulations to anybody that cop. But without further ado, let's go get this sneaker. Let's go.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get...
All right, y'all, so we are at Hibbett Sports in Tampa, as you guys can see right here. And we're going to go in and pick up these pairs. And I'm going to see, apparently they're supposed to be letting people pick up pairs at noon. It's 11:40, so I'll see if I can get any more extra pairs. But it ain't too bad right now here, so looks like it might be a pretty... good in there and out there type transaction.
A little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care.
All right, so at Hibbett Sports, this is the new policy and procedure. Y'all pause the screen. So basically, to kind of prevent people from doing all the shooting and waiting and stuff like that, they're doing re-raffles afternoon for people that don't pick up their sneakers, man. So times has changed, bro. All right, so we left Hibbett Sports, and as I was driving over to the mall to go into JD Sports, I got this notification. As I was telling you guys, this is from Hibbett's, and because I entered the raffle, the pairs that they have left over for the size that I wanted, it's telling me that I can actually come pick it up because they are doing this to limit all of that nonsense that we seen where people were shooting and fighting in stores for the safety of the team members. And I like this. I like the fact that they're doing this. Unfortunately, I'm not driving 45 minutes to cop this sneaker again. I got to 2 p.m. if I reserve it to pick it up, but this sneaker gonna actually go to somebody else because I ain't gonna do it. But let's see what's going on at JD Sport. All right, so we are going to go into JD Sport. It doesn't look like it's too crazy, and I think that's because the first come, first serve already happened whenever it came to that. But we're gonna go and pick up the pair and see what's popping in JD Sports. Hey, so look at this. Like, we got a union, 2 different unions mismatch. Is that cool? Like, do y'all think that's the wave? Is that what y'all want to do? Let me know below. That's crazy. All right, so we did get another pair from JD Sports. I'm gonna wait till I get out to the car to actually unbox these because it's been crazy. All right, so here we go. We have JD Sports bag right here. As y'all can see, I did wear the 2016 pair. Size tag, as you guys can see, you can pause the video to legit check them, but straight from JD Sports for those that gonna be like, hey, they fakes. Let's go ahead and take these out of the bag. The standard Jordan 12 box, we do have that brown, the traditional orange on the Nike box right there, Nike logo. You have the Just Do It right there. And I'm pretty sure on the back end it says, inspired by the greatest player ever played, as you guys can see right there. Yeah, man. So we're gonna open these things up. And the box ain't as big as the other ones, as the past ones, but they did wrap these things pretty good. All right, and you guys can see right here, we have the Air Jordan 12 flu games. People was out in these streets for these, man. People was out in the streets for these. Leather quality looks amazing. You know what I'm saying? Looks really good. And I don't think it's ever been a release outside of, I think it was 2009, whenever they put the suede on it, that we had bad leather quality on the flu game 12s. And just the story behind it, it's just one of those iconic sneakers. But as you guys can see right here, you got that red print right there, the Jumpman right there. And then on the bottom, we do have that carbon fiber. We have the black eyelets, the black Jumpman logo, the 2-3 right there. On the back end, we have the Jordan, inspired by the greatest player ever played. You feel what I'm saying? Black Jumpman logo. On the inner side of the shoe, it's the exact same thing. But y'all let me know, was this a sneaker that you guys are going after? How was the lines and stuff in your area? Resale is already going up on these things, but this is a dope sneaker. 2-3 right there. That leather quality on the toe box, as you guys can see, like I said, it's just a great sneaker. I don't see any flaws on these things. Let me know down in the comment section if you was able to cop, if you hit for retail, or are you gonna pay the resale? As I said, resale is climbing up. But that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for tapping in. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Air Jordan 12s, flu games, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll and get away.